Denise Bidot's real name is Denise Marie Bidot. By profession, she is a plus-size model, makeup artist and TV personality. She is famous as a fashion model, digital content creator, TikTok star, fashion, lifestyle, fitness influencer and blogger. One person but with multi-talents are really praised and loved across the world. Denise Bidot was born on June 13, 1986 in Miami, Florida, United States and raised in the same place. As of now, she is 36 years old, as in the year 2022. She is an American who used to follow the Christian religion and her zodiac sign is Gemini. Denise Bidot is a multi-talented woman who is loved and admired by many, and among them, there are many who want to know about her looks and imitate her as well. For them, her physical appearance can be seen as is 1.65 meters tall and weighs around 62 kilograms. She has beautiful big brown colored eyes and has got beautiful silky brunette color hair. Denise Bidot didn't reveal her family members' details till now. She used to keep her private life away from the limelight of the media. Denise Bidot is unmarried right now. Although she got married to Gregory Vriesnack in the year 2005, this couple divorced in 2009 because of some personal issues. They both have a child named Jocelyn Adams. At present, Denise Bidot is dating Lil Wayne since 2020. Denise Bidot has completed her graduation. Although her school name is not revealed yet, she completed her graduation from Florida International University. Denise Bidot's likes and dislikes can be seen as her favorite singer is Marc Anthony. Her favorite color is blue and black. She loves to have Italian, Japanese and Spanish cuisines. Other than her work, she loves to travel and explore new places, and in addition to this she is also fond of photography. Denise Bidot is among the most famous personalities in the world, who is loved and admired by many. Her net worth is roughly around $5 million by the year 2022.